You've been storing eggs the wrong way your whole life. In Germany, more and more people are freezing eggs to keep them fresh longer and prevent food waste. This simple trick lets you stock up and always have eggs on hand exactly when you need them. Just take a frozen egg out of the freezer and grab a piece of aluminum foil. It's flexible, easily molds around the egg, and creates a tight protective layer. Tear off a large enough piece, place the egg on it, and wrap it completely from all sides. Make sure it's fully covered and carefully fold the edges inward. Now take a mug and place the wrapped egg inside. Pour boiling water over it and cover the mug with a small plate. Wait about 30 seconds. During this time, the heat starts working on the frozen egg, and the temperature difference does the rest. This is the step that leaves many people amazed by the final result. Although it looks very simple, something happens that makes peeling the egg much easier later on. After the waiting time is up, carefully remove the egg, preferably with a spoon to avoid burns. Then gently remove the aluminum foil and start peeling the shell. You'll quickly notice that it comes off surprisingly easily and doesn't stick to the egg white like it usually does. Thanks to this method, you can have a cooked egg ready in no time, without extra preparation, and without wasting food. It's perfect for a quick breakfast before work, as a salad ingredient, a sandwich topping, or a snack during the day. Drop an egg into the sink, and the results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive way to create a cleaner that's useful in the kitchen. Take an egg and drop it into the sink. Then add a few tablespoons of baking soda, utilizing its cleaning properties. Pour vinegar into the sink as well, known for its disinfecting powers. The resulting foam is a clever use of natural chemical reactions that can work wonders. Mix the solution well with a brush. Pour boiling water into the sink afterward. Let the ingredients in the mixture do their magic for a while. Then, rinse everything with warm water and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. This trick will help you get rid of unpleasant odors and potential pests, and any leftover residue will be cleaned up quickly. Place an egg yolk on a metal scrubber and see how this amazing trick works. A dirty oven is every homemaker's nightmare, and cleaning it can take forever. You only need one egg. Separate the white from the yolk. The yolk not only adds shine to clean surfaces, but also contains natural fats and lecithin that help dissolve burnt residue. Prepare the metal scrubber and add the yolk to it. Sprinkle everything with salt. It softens burnt grease and makes it easier to lift off. Add baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural cleaner and tackles even tough, dried-on stains. Finally, pour vinegar over it. That's when the magic begins. The mixture starts to fizz and dissolve dirt with almost no effort. The reaction instantly loosens grime and grease. Gently scrub with the metal pad and watch all the dirt come off on its own. Even old burn marks disappear in seconds. Finish by wiping everything with a sponge. Done. Your oven shines like new without chemicals and without tiring scrubbing. It's the only method you'll ever use. Pour a little water into a glass jar, place a boiled egg inside, close the lid, and shake it vigorously. After a moment, the shell will start cracking on its own and peel off easily. This simple trick makes peeling a larger batch of eggs much easier and saves you a lot of time. Drop a lemon into boiling eggs. Once you try this, you'll use this method forever. You probably know the trick of adding a tablespoon of vinegar while boiling, but it often evaporates before the eggs are done. That's why you should add a slice of lemon to the eggs. The acid in the lemon weakens the eggshell, making peeling easier. Boil the eggs with lemon slices, then remove them from the stove. Let them cool down a bit and peel as usual. You'll see that peeling hard-boiled eggs becomes much easier with this trick. Either method works, but if you prefer hard-boiled eggs over soft, always add a lemon slice. Say goodbye to frustrating peeling and hello to a faster, more efficient way. This way, you'll gain more space in your fridge. Take the egg carton and turn it upside down. There are additional openings on the top. Place the missing eggs from the second carton into the free spots on top. This will save you a lot of space. All the eggs are stable and easily accessible. The fridge is better organized without unnecessary clutter. A clever trick worth trying. Perfect poached egg straight from a strainer. This trick is taught by pros in cooking classes. Boil water in a pot and place a fine mesh metal strainer so it rests on the edges. The egg should cook with steam, not in the water. Crack the egg into the strainer and cover the pot with a lid. Steam for about 3 minutes. The white will set, and the yolk will stay runny. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cook it for 1 more minute. Now just serve it on toast. A perfect poached egg that melts with silky yolk over the bread, like breakfast in a restaurant. It's a quick and foolproof method for poached eggs, no swirling water or vinegar needed. The perfect poached egg straight from a strainer. They teach this in cooking classes. It's a foolproof method. Start by preparing a pot of water. When the water begins to boil, take 2 metal strainers with fine mesh. Place the strainers on the sides of the pot, making sure the water doesn't touch them. The egg will cook with steam, not in the water. Crack an egg into each strainer and cover the pot with a lid. The steam will gently cook the egg whites, creating the perfect soft consistency without the risk of the egg spilling. Steam for about 3 minutes until the egg whites set, and the yolk remains runny. If you prefer a firmer yolk, extend the cooking time by 1 minute. Now, just serve it on toast, preferably with avocado. You can season with salt and pepper. It's a quick and easy method for the perfect poached egg without dealing with water swirls and vinegar. Pour water over your fried eggs. Fried eggs have never been so perfect. The yolks will be runny while the whites are perfectly set. Take a skillet and place it over medium heat. Add some clarified butter to the pan and spread it evenly, waiting for it to melt. Then crack a few eggs into the skillet and cook them as usual for about 3 minutes. Normally you would flip them at this point, but now grab a little water in a jug and pour it over the eggs in one swift motion. Cover the skillet with a lid and let the eggs cook for another 3 minutes. Remove the lid and serve as desired. This trick ensures the yolk stays runny, the eggs are always sunny side up, and the whites are well cooked. This method makes frying eggs easier than ever,